So year after year, we order new school supplies for the kids and it just keeps piling up. Like seriously, I got more glue sticks than I know what to do with. Tons of crayons, like seriously, why do they have crayons? Marker sets, more and more pencil crayons, super cheap paint sets, and oil pastels. Oil pastels. I never really got into oil pastels, but I'm gonna try this one day. What is your current age and when is your birthday? I don't really feel that comfortable about talking about my age, but my birthday's coming up on December 16th. I still enjoy your content to this day ever since I watched your videos like 2016. I have a question for you. What does the room look like where you do your drawings? Here's a shot of my stand-up desk with my downward facing camera. I got a couple lights on the sides and top, and I also have a monitor in the back to help calibrate my cameras. How often do you change your Sharpies? So the best way to tell when I need to change my Sharpie is when I start to hear this. What was your favorite anime drawing and also Minecraft? I don't really have a favorite anime drawing right now, but I plan to do a lot more detailed anime in the future. In terms of Minecraft, I kind of lean towards the simple drawings. Like last week when I drew the creeper, I'm gonna close out the bottom of the feet with a straight line. And I also have another one coming up tomorrow. I've been a subscriber since 2018, and yet I have not watched all your drawing videos because there are too many. So I'm thinking, how much time did it take you to draw all of them? Well, for this one, we might have to do a little bit of math. So as of today, I have about 1,900 videos on my channel, each video taking about 2 to 3 hours to draw and edit. That's 5,700 hours. If we divide that by 24 hours in the day, that means I've been drawing for 237 hours straight. So Brent asked, how old were you when you started drawing? I was pretty young when I started drawing. I don't know the exact age, but I'm guessing around 4 to 5 years old. But I really started getting into art when I was 13 years old. You're so cool, you should have some merch. Well, Omar, I actually do. If you go to my channel, you'll see a little shelf with some of my t-shirt designs. And I plan to add more designs in the next few months. Where do you keep all the drawings? I'll keep some of the drawings in my office as reference. But the majority of my drawings usually go to my children who love to color them in. Iconic's father asked, how long does it take to complete one drawing video? So the time it takes me to complete one drawing varies. Something really simple could take me as little as 3 minutes, and something more detailed will take me upwards about 30 minutes. Are you Ryan Reynolds? Can you tell me what instruments do you use? For most of my drawing lessons, I'll use a Sharpie fine point marker, and for more detailed drawings, I'll switch to a Pigma Micron pen. Elijah asked, where are you in Canada? I'm on the west coast in Vancouver, and to no surprise, it's raining. What type of cameras do you use? I use a couple different cameras. This camera right now is a Canon 70D, and the camera above my drawing table is just a basic Sony camera. Which is your favorite sketch that you've made? Well, I've only really started sketching on this channel about a month ago, and to be honest, I really don't have a favorite. I'm probably the most critical of my art. I'm always pushing myself to create better art, and I'm actually improving every single time. And that's why after every drawing I create, I always feel I could do better. What made you make this channel? I love this question because it helps motivate me to keep going and not take things for granted. So I used to work in the video game industry, working long hours, and I traveled quite a bit, which didn't really give me a lot of time to spend with my family and my children. So one day I decided to upload some drawing videos that my kids could watch when I'm not at home. After a few months, I realized I was getting a lot of views to my channel. And so the interaction and the community I was creating really resonated with me, and I decided at that point, this is something I want to do for the rest of my life. With the latest YouTube policy about content towards children changing, how do you feel about it?
Well, that's a bit of a problem.
Okay, so this is a really big topic, something that I probably need to cover in a separate vlog. So yes, things are changing and will impact creators like myself that focus on content for kids under the age of 13. So YouTube has given us to the end of this year to prepare for these changes. Now, I'm not 100% sure how this is going to impact cartooning for kids, but for now I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, and hopefully this policy change won't impact the channel too badly. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.